Today we're gonna clean a toaster oven. And so we had a dedicated follower send us in this absolutely disgusting toaster oven. And it honestly smells really greasy, even like opening up that door. And it's very dirty. So like the method for toaster ovens is basically soap and water. And we're hoping that we can get it clean with some like Dawn power wash and see what happens. But this is a perfect example of the fact that like your shit is wrecked, just clean it, but then also don't let it get so bad that we can't bring it back. I'll give more of my opinion on that after I've scrubbed it for a couple of hours. First things first, we're going to break this baby down. It's quite greasy and sticky. We'll be able to use oven cleaner on these racks and probably this metal pan, but then I'm gonna use Dawn Power Wash. We Googled to see like what was safe on the inside, to use on the inside of this without damaging the coating, because we don't wanna wreck it either. So I'm gonna use Dawn Power Wash and let it sit and see what happens. I don't have really very high hopes for this thing because it's quite filthy, but I don't like to be defeated, so we'll see what we can do. Little change in plan. We decided that we're actually gonna soak these in dishwasher pods, which is a much easier way to clean it than using oven cleaner. So I filled up the sink enough to submerge this with hot water, and then I'm gonna drop in 3 dishwasher pods, and we're just gonna let them soak for, it'll take me a little bit of time to like clean the toaster oven, so I'm gonna let this soak while it does it. This is like a great hack if you have something really dirty, like a crusted on pot from a casserole dish, and you can soak it overnight with 1 dish pot in it. I need to do just like 1 YouTube on that because it would be great and so easy. So let's let those soak. They need to kind of dissolve. We're using Dawn Power Wash on this. So there's like, Dawn Power Wash is a very misunderstood product, without making that sound like an ad, because it's not, because it's one of my favorite products, but lots of people think it's just like watered down dish soap. It's not. It has a whole bunch of extra stuff inside of it that's gonna help cut the grease, and it also like helps cut, it has like, it softens water when you're washing, scrubbing stuff with it. There's a whole bunch of stuff in it. So anyways, that was our long ramble. Just buy some Dawn Power Wash. This is not an ad. Okay. So I'm just going to coat the whole entire inside of this. I know it's gonna kind of like run down, but Dawn Power Wash also has kind of like some stuff that makes it stick to the edges. And we're gonna let it sit and lift the grease, which is going to be fun to watch. I just realized the crumb tray is still in here, so I'm just gonna go, this could just go into the sink to get soaked. I just need to rinse it off because I don't want to mix the chemicals, so can you go take that to the bathroom? See, the bottom of this is like not even dirty at all because the crumb tray. Good on you. I'm not an oven, I've never, like my mom never had a toaster, my mom doesn't like stuff on the counters, so never had a toaster oven in my life. Ever. And not like I've still been living with my mom, I just never used a toaster oven for my cleaning or for my cooking situation. Now we wait. Okay, I'm excited about this wipe. Like butter. Look at that. That's just Dawn Power Wash. Oh. Ooh, it's still pretty stuck on like where but it's gonna be a layering situation. Oh my God, Kate, make sure we can get that. I'm gonna go lefty. Ready? Like that worked. Holy guacamole. Okay. Oh, that worked really good. Well, mixed with the SOS pad, which is helpful. Okay, status update. I'm sweaty, and this is the situation of my first SOS pad. It is coming clean. We wiped it out and we switched from Dawn Power Wash to Mr. Clean Freak because it's like a really powerful degreaser, and I can like feel this, how greasy it is and cut on. I don't think we're gonna get like sparkling clean, brand new, but it's definitely coming along and getting a little bit better. Not even a little bit better, it's like 40% better right now than where we started. So we've scrubbed this within an inch of its life, and honestly, it's come really far, but we haven't got it perfect yet. And it's kind of, this is it, without using like a harsher cleaner on it. So we did really well with just the SOS pad and the Dawn Power Wash. We did switch over halfway through to Mr. Clean Freak. Just make sure if you're gonna use the Mr. Clean Freak that you wipe it out really, really well with like just a warm water cloth, like to rinse it. And then we dried it out, and we're gonna put the pans and the racks and everything back in. I'm gonna use some Wyman's on the outside to make it nice and shiny and look brand new. Look how clean the oven racks came. So remember, we soaked these in a dish pot and we scrubbed them with an SOS pad. So let's put this all back together. But like, look, I know it's not perfect, which is sort of driving my Virgo type A personality crazy, but it's better, it's a million times better than what it was. This probably would have come totally clean if I had let it soak overnight, but this is like 6 hours in, and we were supposed to film 4 other videos today, and none of them got done because this thing was so dirty. So this is the final product that we have for the microwave oven. Here's the final shot of the toaster oven. This is a very, very good, perfect actually, example of your stuff isn't wrecked, just clean it. And also just to like tap into the fact that maintenance cleaning is what's gonna keep your appliances working well. Like if you use it and then it's dirty after you cook some bacon or whatever in it, spray it out and clean it right there. Don't let it harden and then use it again and cook that stuff on over and over again. That's why it's so hard to bring it back. But we did it. We did it to the best of our ability. It took a long time. And if you have your own toaster oven and you know how to keep it sparkling clean, please let us know in the comments because I'd be happy to do this again. Or if you have a very disgusting toaster oven and need some help, I hope we were able to help you today.